Hello my favorite students, welcome to Coronavirus Art Class. We are going to learn how to sculpt the human head. We're going to make a portrait bust, and so the first step of that is to make an armature to put your sculpture on. An armature is a structure that will make it so your clay doesn't fall apart or sag down, or it keeps its form while you're working. So here's some examples of portrait busts that other students have made. You can see it's from the shoulders to the head, or in some cases from the neck to the head. We're going to, first of all, you guys should have already done this, but you put together some pictures of whatever you're sculpting. So I'm going to do a self-portrait, so I have pictures of myself from all different angles, and I'm going to make an armature to start my sculpture. The armatures we're using are very simple. We're going to do one that's it's attached to a base, and it has a pipe, and we're going to crumple newspaper up just like we did with our human skull, and we'll put the crumpled up paper on the top of this base, or on top of the pipe. And it depends on, like, if you want to do sort of a smaller one, you can use one that's this size. If you want to do more of a full bust with shoulder up, maybe choose the taller one. If you're at home, you don't need to use one of these at all. You can just do a smaller sculpture like we did with the human head. So you'll just crumple up paper and make sure there's a hole in the bottom that goes up to the head where the paper is. There's a crumpled thing of paper there. When we fire it, the paper will turn to ash. This one still has some ash in it. All right, so let's get started. All you do is, we're gonna take some newsprint, crumple it up. If it's too big, I'll just take some paper off. Let's do a little problem solving, you know what I'm saying? Clay's gonna go right around here, the neck's gonna come down, the shoulders here. So now, all I have to do is take my modeling clay. I start with the shoulders and I build up. Okay, so I'll just slap some clay on there. This is the fun part. Bam! Just pile it in there, squish it in so there's no, you don't want any air pockets. Squish it in nice and hard and solid. It's like, look at that, it's not going anywhere. I'm just gonna keep building it up. Sound good? That's how to get started with the armature and to start your sculpture.